this video tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These space characters are appended with number characters. Those number characters are gradually decreasing line by line. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here, along with every number, a single space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of 5th iteration I value will become 5 less than 5, condition is false, and our iteration will stop here. Print the result. Print. Every line begins with a space character. We are going to combine two spaces here, two spaces, multiply by I, which is going to give us 0 space, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8. This space is appended with number character. Number character begins from 5 minus I. Along with every number, a single space character is appended. Here, we need to concat integer type to string type. And in the first line, there are 5 5s, so that we can achieve by multiplying 5 minus I. 5 minus I is going to give us 5 5s, then 4 4s, then 3 3s, then 2 2s and 1 1. So save the file and run in the terminal py triangle.py. We can see here this is our required left angle number triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial we will see another type of left angle number triangle pattern.